easy-to-use tools are available at Unify's Troop Dashboard. Unify is the first all-in-one product program platform that lets you manage the product program from start to finish each season. The Troop Dashboard will be the first page you are directed to upon login as a Troop volunteer. From any page within Unify, you will have access to a menu of options from the burger icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen. A few tips to ensure your girl's success. From the Troop Dashboard, you can, under Girl Activity, monitor girl activities and troop results. You can see how girls have participated with their emails sent, addition of a photo, and texting. You can even see if they have built their My Creation avatar. Communicate with the girls and parents in your troop under Messaging. And if you have one, share your troop's Take Action project for the year. Another great feature accessed from the Troop Dashboard is My Creation. You can create your own My Creation to be included in your My Troop Creation troop photo. You can also see the orders for your girls under Manage Orders and update them as needed throughout and at the end of the program. At the top of the Troop Dashboard, there is a trefoil icon and a calendar icon. By clicking on the trefoil icon, you can access sales stats, program information, and messages. By clicking on the calendar, you can access important dates. When there are new messages or items to view, these icons will indicate that you have new notifications with a small number on the icon. Everything you need to support your girls in troop can be found in your Unified Troop Dashboard. We hope you have a successful product program season. From the tabs at the top of the page, if you select the Girl Activity tab, you will arrive at the Girl Activity page. From the Girl Activity page, troop users can see each girl's activities. A grayed out My Patch creation indicates the girl has not designed her My Creation. A colored My Patch creation indicates the girl has designed her My Creation avatar. In each girl's box is a listing of a variety of different goal-reaching activities and stats. If an item has a check mark beside it, that indicates the girl has done that activity. From each girl box, you can select the small square to send one or more girl parent emails, encouraging them to reach their goals throughout the program. This could be helpful to get the girls who have not yet completed any activities motivated. You can also click the shopping cart in the top right of each girl's box to go to their online store. It's important to check back often throughout the program to check girl activity, communicate, and help the girls in your troop reach their goals. From the burger menu, there's a rosters option. From the roster screen, there are two tabs to work within, the Troop tab and the Girl tab. On the Troop tab, you will see your troop listed on the left with the program level. If the Council has given access, you can edit your troop's information by clicking the pencil icon to the left of your troop number. Under the Troop Users heading on the Troop tab, you will see the users that currently have troop access in Unify as well as the role in which they are assigned in Unify. If the Council has given access, troop users will have the ability to add additional troop users, like a second troop leader, co-leader, or troop product manager. To add a troop user, click the Add User button. A pop-up will appear to add an additional user. The first name, last name, and email address are the only required fields. The option to save will appear when these fields have been completed. You will receive a confirmation that your changes have been saved. The troop user added will receive an email granting access to Unify. From the Girl tab, if the Council has granted troops the access, you can edit the girls in your troop. To edit an existing girl, click the pencil. To delete a girl that is no longer in your troop, click the X next to the girl's name. To add a girl, click the Add Girl button. One important important note about adding a girl is that an email address is required for the girl to be able to log in to the girl dashboard. If any girls are missing from your troop dashboard, be sure to contact their parent or guardian to be sure they are registered Girl Scouts. From the burger menu, you can access the messaging page. It's also one of the arrow tabs on the top of the troop dashboard. From the messaging menu section, there are 3 tabs: Send Emails, Post Messages, and Email Records. From the Post Messages page, you can add a message that parents and girls will see upon their next login. You can select the date that the message will stop showing for parents and girls. You type your message on the small Post-it note, and when you've completed your message, select Post. If multiple posts have been missed by girls and parents since last login, there's a fuchsia circle on the Girl Scout information trefoil indicating there are posts waiting. From the Send Emails page, you can type an email to send to every parent and girl in your troop or to specific parents and girls. You must select a recipient to send the email. There are predefined groups from which you can choose to send emails, or you can select individuals. If you select Choose Girls on the next screen, you'll be directed to select the individuals from a pop-up box. Recipients can reply to the email they receive from you, with the reply coming to the email you use to log into Unify. From the Email Records page, you can see listings of the emails you have sent to date. Be sure to use the messaging throughout the program to keep your girls and parents updated on program specifics, meeting dates, and upcoming deadlines. From the burger menu, there is a Manage Orders option. You can also navigate to the Manage Orders page from the Manage Orders tab on the troop dashboard. The Manage Orders screen provides a listing of all girls in your troop and the ability to see a quick recap of each girl's progress to date by hovering your cursor over a specific girl's name. By clicking the pencil next to a girl's name, you will be directed to that girl's order page, where you can change the amount of product ordered until the deadline to submit. After a change is made, be sure to click Save and Continue. If you do not make any changes, the Save and Continue button will not be active or clickable. If you do not need to make a change and have clicked to edit a girl's order, there is a Cancel button. Clicking the Cancel button will take you back to the Troop Dashboard Manage Orders tab. Clicking on the Order Details button opens the G1 report. At the top of the screen, there will be a listing of important deadlines. When you've finished entering all girl orders, you'll select Submit Troop Order. Be sure to confirm that you have entered all girl orders. If you have any questions after order submission, be sure to contact the person that oversees the program for your troop. From the burger menu, you can access the delivery section. When you receive the nut and candy items, as well as the girl rewards earned by members of your troop, you will likely need to separate them by girl. From this section, you will have the ability to view, print, or email the nut and candy delivery tickets or the reward delivery tickets for any or all girls in your troop. The fields are defaulted to include all girls, but you can select a specific girl using the drop-down boxes to make a selection. You will have access to these same reports from the Reports section under the burger menu. The nut and candy delivery tickets are also referred to as the T1 Troop Nut Candy and Mags or the T1 Troop Rewards and the G1 Girl Nut Candy and Mags or the G1 Girl Rewards. These reports are in Excel, but they are also available in PDF via the T2 or G2 option from the Reports section. The T2 Troop Order Report is a summary of your total product to be delivered to your girls' customers. This is the product you will receive for your troop along with the contact information of your troop product manager. The T1 Troop Nut Candy and Mags shows the same information in an Excel document. The G2 Girl Order Report is a summary of a girl's total product to be delivered to her customers. This is the product a girl will receive from the troop, along with the contact information for the troop product manager. The G1 Girl Nut Candy and Mags shows the same information in an Excel file. When downloading these reports from the delivery section, you'll have the ability to choose a specific girl to download only her report. When downloading these reports from the reports section, every girl's report will be downloaded in one file. From the burger menu, you can access the Troop Financials page. Once at the Financials page, there are two tabs, Troop Bank and Troop Transactions. The Troop Bank page shows your Troop banking information as entered by the Council. You may have access to edit the Troop Bank information if the Council has set the permission to allow troops to make these changes. From the Troop Transaction page, you'll see a listing of transactions already entered, and you'll have the ability to add new transactions by clicking Add Transaction, if your Council allows this action. At the bottom of the financial transactions listed, you'll find a troop summary of financial standing. If your Council permits, when you click Add Transaction, a pop-up appears to allow you to enter a transaction. The transaction date, account name, and amount are all required fields. Once you've entered the data for each of these fields, Save will become an option and should be selected to keep the data entered. You can access reports from the burger menu. You'll be directed first to a report dashboard where you can see a graphic representation of sales and performance in a variety of ways for your troop. From the top right-hand corner, you can select to view a different set of metrics graphically. At the bottom of the screen, you can enter a reporting date and time range to view performance only during that time period. To navigate to the Excel and PDF reports available, simply click the View Reports button in the top left-hand corner. On the Reports page, you'll have access to Troop Reports, Girl Reports, and Financial Reports. These reports are downloadable in PDF or Excel, or both in some instances. A few of the most important reports you'll be accessing include the T2 Troop Order Nuts, Candy, Mags, and More report is a summary of the total troop product to be delivered to your girls' customers. This is the product you will receive. The T1 Troop Order Nuts, Candy, Mags, and More shows the same information in an Excel document. The G2 Girl Order Nuts, Candy, Mags, and More report is a summary of a girl's total product to be delivered to her customers. This is the product a girl will receive from the troop along with the contact information for the troop product manager. You'll likely use this report to divide out the product you'll receive for each girl. The G1 Girl Order Nuts, Candy, Mags, and More shows the same information in an Excel file. When downloading these reports from the Reports page, every girl's report will be downloaded in one file. There are a variety of other reports available here as well for you to keep track of troop and girl results throughout the program.